This is 6a, solving simple quadratic equations. So if this were just x, it would be really easy to solve. All we would do is add 81 to both sides, but it's x squared. We're still going to add 81 to both sides. And what we end up with is x squared. Negative 81 plus 81 cancels, and 0 plus 81 equals 81. And then to undo the square, we're going to square root. But remember, with the absolute value, there's going to be two answers. If we square root this, the square root of 81 is 9. Because remember, 9 squared, 9 times 9 is 81, right? It's the opposite. But also negative 9. Because negative 9 squared is 81 as well, right? If I say 9 squared, that means 9 times 9, which is 81. But if I say negative 9 squared means negative 9 times negative 9. The negative times the negative makes it positive 81 as well. So the set of solutions is negative 9 and 9. Then we're going to do the same thing on this one, except you're going to see that it's not a perfect square. So if we add 80 to both sides, then we get x squared equals 80. And if we take the square root of both sides, this is not going to work out perfectly. So I'm going to go to my calculator. We're going to do the square root of 80. Okay, the square root of 80, it simplifies it for us, but we want a decimal approximation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a decimal. If I put a decimal into the problem, I get a decimal out. So I get 8.94427, which is a little less than 9, which makes sense because 9 times 9 would give us 81. So remember, x equals plus and minus, and we have 8.94427. Now it says to round to 2 decimal places. So I'm going to look here at my second decimal place. We have a 4, so that means I do not round it up. It is 8.94. So we have negative 8.94 and positive 8.94. And there's my set of solutions.